Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat solar system. So for this, the first step is to open the Snapchat app on this Android device. You can also open in iOS. So from here you will just go on the top left corner of your avatar icon. So from here you will just tap to Snapchat plus new features. So just simple tap to this and scroll down to find solar system. So from here you will see the snap streak and home tab, custom chat color, extend snap, custom bitmoji pods, and you will just find a little bit scroll down to find a solar system. Little bit scroll more and you will see there is a solar system. Just tap to solar system and here is the solar system you will see. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.